Hi, I'm Katie, and I've given some thought to the flat earth theory. First of all, the maps, super cool, very Lord of the Rings. But I've read the Bible. The Bible really spooks me. I love Jesus. I love Mary. Hail Mary spook me. I don't know why that is. I hope I don't have a demon inside me. But I was reading the Bible and it says, one of the first things it says is that we are in a dome. Okay. Now, supposedly the ozone layer, is it an ozone dome? Ozone dome? Because, remember when they had the chlorofluorocarbons with the CFCs that were banned because they were eating a hole in the ozone layer? And would all of governments around the world put on this charade of doing this? But I thought about something. Okay. So in school they teach you that the earth is round and that it tilts on an axis. And that the sun comes down and hits it at the highest point at the equator, which is like, I think the equator is like 23,000 miles around or more than that. And so if the sun is directed towards the equator, here's how you can tell on earth that flat earth might not be real. I'm not blaspheming God. I hope I'm not doing that. But if the sun is hitting the equator and there are humans all over the earth and their skin is getting tanner and there's more melanin based on where they are, based on that equator, that this whole, Milky Way system is going or whatever, it takes like 20,000 years for someone's skin to change from very dark black to a pale tan or a pink color. 20,000 years. So I'm thinking the sun is hitting the equator and there are humans all over the earth, and the ones closest to the equator are darker. They're human beings. So what would the maps look like if it was a flat earth and we have all these people everywhere? And, what would be responsible for generations of melanation of skin? So I think you can prove the flat earth theory wrong by human beings adapting to their environment, and this is caused by the sun in relation to the equator, because that makes sense to me. Does that make sense?